What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a transformation. We're going to be doing a mullet. Alright, so there's going to be a high taper mullet. So right now we're just setting the foundation and we're cutting that long hair. And what I'm doing right now, I'm just pulling the hair down and I'm just taking the section and I'm cutting all that hair, so that'll be my guide. And I'm pretty much just taking, you know, the short hair and blending it into the long hair, so when I come back with my clipper, blend right into that long hair. So here I'm taking diagonal sections, and what I'm going to do here is just double check everything, cross check, and make sure there's not too much weight on top. And as you can tell, my palms are facing up, so my knuckles are resting on his head, and I'm pulling out with my fingers to make sure I have a nice squared shape. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. So now we're just putting the ball guideline in. Like I said, it's going to be a high taper, so we're taking off his C cup. On one side, I didn't really show the full step, so one side is just going to be a quick rundown of seeing how the taper is going to look, and then the other side I'll show you step by step of what I did. So right here, we're taking our 3 guard, and we're removing bulk, and we're going to blend right into that long hair. And as you can tell, I'm kind of scooping out and fading into that long hair, so I get a nice transition. And the reason why I'm doing that is so that I skip steps and I don't have to go grab my 4 guard or anything like that. If you want a detail, you can come back with your scissors and fine tune that. And when it comes to the mullet, you want to keep all that length in the back, obviously, because you want to have that nice flow. Right here I'm just doing a little bit of detail work, but as you can tell, the mullet's really coming into place now. Now we're just going to clean up behind the ear. We're not doing too much, we're just cleaning it so it looks nice and clean in the front, but obviously, you know, a party in the back. Alright, now on this side I'm going to show you guys the step by step. So like I said, first you start with that number 3 guard. I believe I have it completely open, and I'm going to fade straight into that scissor work that we did earlier. As you can see, I'm coming off of the head and I'm getting that nice transition, and also I'm keeping, you know, the structure of the head and, you know, the full look to that mullet. Now after that, we're going to go ahead and take our 1.5 guard, and this is on the wall system, so this is the 1.5 guard, and it's completely open. And we're going to blend into that 3 guard. Same motions, scooping out and into that 3, so we don't create any new lines. And if we do, we could just follow with the 2 guard, or you could do your scissor over comb. And then we're just going to slowly close that lever down.
It's another witty beat.
So if you have been watching my videos, now you know we're going to go to our half guard, and we're going to keep that completely closed, and we're going to go up about a 1/2 inch, and then we're going to open the lever halfway, and then we're going to go up a little bit more, about another 1/4 inch, and then we're going to completely open it, trying to fade out and scooping out into that 1.5 guard that we had previously. And after that, we're going to do some detail work with our 1 guard. So now we have our 1 guard, and we're going to start with it completely open, and we're just going to work our way down, going from completely open, which is the lever all the way open, and then halfway, and then all the way closed. And we're just using the corners right here. We're just detailing, we're taking away that dark spots, seeing what, you know, what's too dark, what we need a point cut. And what I like about these ergo clippers by Gamma is they cut very precise, so you could really use that corner and knock out each hair one by one. As you guys can see, the fade is finally coming together. All we have left is that bottom guideline, and I don't think I recorded that for some reason. I don't know if my camera died or if it ran out of memory, but pretty much just took that bottom line. Oh, this is where my camera fell. But we pretty much took that bottom line out with just blade completely open with no guards, and then closed it slowly. Now we're just blending it into that 3 and into that long hair with our scissor over comb. So he didn't want to touch any length on the top. So what I'm doing, just so there's not too much bulkiness on the top, is I'm connecting the top on into the sides. So I took a section about, you know, the apex of his head, which is the top of his head, and I'm just keeping my finger squared, as you can tell, and I'm just connecting those with the side. I'm just keep going back until I ran out of hair. Also, if you are wondering, these shears are from Barber Nova. I'll have the link down below. These are the red almighty shears. Now we're just going to completely blow dry the hair until it's completely dry, because we're going to be using a powder after, so you want to make sure the hair is completely dry. Now we're going to go ahead and apply some texturizing powder or some volumizing powder. Go ahead and just tap that all over the hair. You could lift up the roots as well to get it deeper in there, but I saw this one barber where he kind of moves his hand around the top, which you'll see soon, and that really gets the hair in there and gets that nice texture look. Trying to be that salt guy, but there you go. So yeah, I went in there, kind of moved my fingers throughout there and got the hair all nice and up. Now you can see the texture coming out and the volume. Alright guys, that's the haircut. It was a quick tutorial, just side tapers and some scissor work, but that's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below what you guys think of the cut. Mullets are coming back, so hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, see you guys on the next one.